Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a trunk organizer. So let's look at everything that you get. So you get the organizer itself. You get the bottom part that we are going to put in the bottom. This folds up so that you can collapse the organizer. We are going to get some sides to make it a little bit stronger. And we have a lid and a lid. And then you get this removable, I love this. This is like a 2-in-1. This is a cooler. The zippers on this are really great. You can see it's fully insulated. It collapses. And again, you have the double zipper and you have the handle. All right, so let's go ahead and put it together. So what you are going to do, first of all, look at these handles, how nice they are. You are going to unclip the sides. You can see this pops open. What I love about this is that you also have the clip on the other side. This is completely adjustable. So I can open up one section like this, and then I'm going to snap together the side so then I only have the one section open. I have my lid that velcros on, and then I can pick this up and carry this in the house. So let's move the camera. Let's see the full angle. I'm going to put this fully together, organize my trunk, and then we'll take some close-up looks. Okay, let's put this all together. You can see just how easy it is. You put the bottom in, and then you have all of these Velcro, I'm gonna call them sides. You can use these to adjust. You could make one section into two and then do the same in the middle. And then you have the bag that is your cooler that pops into one of the sections as well. And then you just put the lid on. This thing is absolutely amazing. The amount of organization is next level. You have all of those little Velcro sections in here, and the lid stays on beautifully. The Velcro is really high quality. And then you have all of these little compartments. You have the two covered pockets on each side, metal handles, which are super sturdy. The back is just plain. You do have the clips that you're going to be able to use to collapse this if you want. And then you have all of those mesh pockets on the front, more pockets on the other side. And again, those great metal handles. Those metal handles are amazing. It's one of my favorite features. This thing is huge. My trunk is a mess. This is real life, people. And I was able to put everything in here to get organized. And now I have so much space in my trunk. You have so much capacity here. It's 126 liters, 100 for the main storage, and then 26 for the cooler. You have 5 independent compartments to easily store groceries, tools, your sporting gear, all the things. And you can fold it up into different sections. You can keep the cooler in there, take the cooler out when you're going to all of the sports. And it is leak-proof and waterproof, the cooler. And the material on this is that great Oxford cloth, and it holds a lot of weight. I can actually use it at a bench. You need this. I am loving it. Check it out.